This morning I woke up to a page and I saw that mock news has been sued to court by Zion lawyers. Mock news has been sued to court. It doesn't matter where you're based. Don't say I didn't tell you. Don't say I didn't tell you. I think that guy is not based in Nigeria. But there are processes of repatriations. They can bring you back no matter where you are. Hence, there's a court judgment in your own country. Then they go back to wherever you are and sue you again there. You'll be arrested and brought back to Nigeria. The space of internet. A lot of people will just on camera, blah, blah, blah. You don't have evidence to whatever you're saying. And you'll be talking out of sense. Now they will land that guy in trouble. At the end of this whole process, go and check. They will land that guy into a deep trouble. Go ahead. They will land him into a very big trouble and all of you will sit quiet. Talk is very simple. Your comment alone could land you in jail. People don't understand. Just comment. It's better sometimes you keep quiet and walk away. A lot of people don't understand. And there are more targets from the way I see. It has got to the extent of some guys. I saw the video online a few days ago where they came out to interrupt a preacher. Did you remember the laws of Federal Republic of Nigeria that says that they have freedom of worship? Did you remember that? But you confronted him. I am sure that some people are working on how to arrest those guys. Many of you were clapping on the internet. But those guys, hence they are arrested, they will go to jail. You will be busy training your own children. You'll be busy raising your own family. You'll be busy at that point doing your own business to prosper. But somebody is wasting in jail. The worst thing that can happen to you, I tell it to my friends. If you watch the video I did with Jepak yesterday, I see something like that. The worst thing that can happen to you is when people cheer you up into danger. When people cheer you up into danger. One idiot being Abuja, I saw where somebody said to him that that Governor Isiagu said that you are avoiding him. He said that Governor Isiagu, who was begging him to save him, fool. If he messes up, I'll play the voice note I sent to him. Then let me see where I begged him. Even I'm batching me on a voice note to send there because he's a fool. All to picture Madomania. I believe now, as smart or the smart, he will go and delete many places able post through their faces. Able post to the face of Ebukobi. People will mislead you. People will cheer you up. You walk into danger. And I swear by the grave of my mother, I swear by the grave of my mom, Obo arrest, I will not arrest you so that it will not attract sympathy. People are Abayo and go is not here. People are Abayo one, people start begging and happy, and I may consider because hence my dad talks to me or one or two persons talks to me, I will withdraw. That's just me. His name is Mock News. Mock News. This is a suit against him. This is a suit against him now for defamation of character. Did they arrest him? No. They intelligently sued him. Now, if you do to me what I don't like, I won't come to internet about our war with you. Because he can prove room. One idiot to on camera and ambo and ex-convict. Do you know what it means? Do you know what it means? You are lying against somebody. And I kept quiet all this while. But I decided I swear by the grave of my mom. I won't talk to you. You gotta prove Woya. If you fail to prove it, there is no Jupiter. Even my mom in the grave. That's why I touched the grave of my mom. I won't leave you. Because you are lying against me. What never happened. Some of them on the camera that near come and get a problem. Your mother, your mother, your sister. People can talk out of points. Here in Nigeria, they will cheer you up into danger. Now they've sued this guy to court. The worst is when he does not come to defend himself. He wouldn't near Nigeria again. Legal steps to deal with the fools. Go straight, please, sir. Okay. But there's a way you can still buy what you want here. that canopy there. So they've sued this one to court now, and all of you, hide there. After you will inbox him a video, after you will tell him what to do, you want to regulate him. And if he's foolish, so get things here. If he's very, very foolish, Oyeka Johnson, or the Kishade again, may call here and block all the idiots. Esura Madu to court for defamation of character. Now, Jomo, go and ask it to the law court, idiot. Now, marry freedom of speech in Nigeria. Did freedom of speech grant you the opportunity? Was it? Did freedom of speech grant you, aid you the opportunity? Aid you the opportunity to deform people? The day you land in court, with handcuff, that day you will realize, that day you will understand. You know, you've not stand trial. I have stood trials, Marihanako. I've stood trials, Marihanako. I've stood trials, Marihanako. I've won cases. I've won two cases. So what you should do, what I suggest you should do is carry their picture, put it on the internet, and start talking, start lying against them. That day you will understand you have freedom of speech in Nigeria. Freedom of speech. Internet will just rip off your brain. Before I drag anybody on the internet, I have some evidences. I have some evidences. No, nonsense. Nonsense. No. You people mislead people. Yesterday, that was how somebody was pressurizing Governor Zoku. But you went to that shrine by yourself. So right now, this one has been sued to court. So somebody will just come up and accuse you for nothing. Accuse you for nothing. Do you know that even yesterday, even yesterday, I took my time. I left where I was here in Lagos. I had to take a taxi. I went to where J Park is. I think boat or something. I went to where J Park is. We both embarked on a journey to go meet the man who came to Zion Ministry to testify. We went at the back. If you watch that video intelligently, I was putting it to the man that he was paid. I was pressurizing the man to at least accept with evidence that Zion Ministries paid him to come and testify that thing. You understand? Upon that whole thing, you can't do what I do. You cannot stand it. Do you know that people came at the comment section and they were telling me that we told the man what to do? Before God Almighty. I never met the man before now. Before that yesterday. I never met him. And there was no duress. I only pleaded with him, can we interview you? And he accepted. He accepted. We faced the camera and I decided to be asking him questions. I put it to that man that he was paid. And the man said no. Severally. But one thing I understood there is simple. That man goes about doing the same thing. All right. People. Watch here where this matter will land him. And let me tell you one thing, one thing you should fear about cases is your enemies will come in. Your enemies will come in through there to deal with you. Informer Obi, Chineke Bawapagi Shida place. Don't you know you can locate anybody you want? Some of these idiots they be listening and nah, who is paying me? Who is paying me? Maybe your father is paying me. Chineke Bawagish. Your father is paying me. Febukobi has paid me kobo. May I not see tomorrow morning? But if Febukobi has not paid me any money, Simwere and speak for him, you will die this year. By the gallows of the Shanamites I touch you, he got 1 week this year. He got 1 accident. He got 1 on your burial day, people around you will die that same day. Ndara. Fools. Fools. Think everybody is the same. Ndara. People can be very, very stupid and selfish. So they paid your mother bribe before she gave back to you. They paid your mother bribe. Fools. They paid your father bribe. Maybe your mother went to another place and collected bribe and slept with another man or 2 women. She gave back to you. If Ebukobi paid me 1 kobo to defend him. If Ebukobi paid me even anything at all to defend him, may I not see tomorrow. May it never be better with me. But if I'm doing anything, I am doing just freely. So you think they will allow you to go and interview the man? How? But if they are not paying me to speak or to do what I do, you would have said that JPAC paid me to come for him now in Lagos when he had issues. That's what you would have said. That's your tradition. That's your follow you call. Buogi dia. If Ebukobi is not paying me any kobo to defend him, ala village you could buogi that place. If you eat anything, your magi on ya result wala gong, you die miserably. Araba one auntie. I always say that it is expensive to be fake. Very stupid people. You know, when you don't have your own personal integrity, you think any other person can compromise his or her stand. There are stupid people. Stupid people. That was how your uncle gave your mother a bribe to sleep with your mother, and your mother gave birth to you in the name of your father. Ndara. That the time I went to Nnamdi Kano's court, maybe Nnamdi Kano paid me bribe. Chineke Bawan Ishi that place. Stupid people. Ndara. Dirty people. Dirty people. When I go about speaking for the commoners, they paid me bribe. When I go and recover 5 million naira, 2-3 million naira and give back to the owner, somebody paid me somewhere now, right? I was giving bribe before I stood up. You don't see, you don't have eyes to see. Some of you want I beat a lot of you, Ndara. Dirty people. Ndara. Very dirty and stupid people, no sense. When I come up on camera and on camera like this, I made transfer of monies I recovered 100% to the owner. You know, see him, you know, share the video. You know, talk say they pay me bribe that time. Now, when I defend anybody, I wish to. When I go as far as making my proofs, bringing my point, going as far as sacrificing my time and everything just to ensure that I stand on what is right. Nah, nonsense. Chineke bawakwa get that place. Chineke buwakwa ni Ishi Ndara. I wish Ebukobi has ears. I wish someone enti know himself. But all the same people now fight here. Go and check many of the people now fight here. 89% of them featured one state. That's the one state. The same state. The same state. I think I should be saying this now regularly, constantly. Kandi Mwanya and other places marry here. Orodo TV, happy birthday to you, brother. Happy birthday. Zbotoni Imo. Oya Dregenamma. Oya Dregenamma. Oh, just at Ebuko Biki yourself. I'm going to share this in his own. I'm going to talk. I'm live on camera, screen record here. I know they know how there is the reason he own. Those people, they were the first people. They were the first people you came up. Ghana, their state, Ghana Rehabilitation Center. Why can't you build it in your own place? Your Olu, where you came from, are people living there? Don't you see people running out of that place? About in Kitty, brother, your Zion headquarters, Garwan, another state and another person. While your own state also know about that place. Also know about that place. Half of Quaroni mobile and half boya, but a promotion at their state, I go boya. On Bacano and another state, I go boy, only more chatting with a sense. Chatting with a common sense. You chatting with common sense as only more state, we chatting with common sense. You trying with common sense. They battle you everywhere. They handle a business. They battle you. They want to push you down as Onyimo. This time around, here where their game plans against this one. This is what I see that you don't see. Not money. Agreed room, not money. Not money. Go and check them. The hatred is in their DNA. They are very, very wicked. Thank you for watching. Ugonna. I know my fans. Very wicked people. Go check here. Even Onyimo make business anywhere, they will want to fight him. And they will gang up together against him. And let me send this thing to accusations. It's like you are trying to become Pasha also. I'm telling it to you, face to face, that somebody made a video, somebody made a voice note. Somebody made a voice note singing Oga frame something up against Ebukobi. He will do this, he will do that, he will do this, he will do that. You heard the voice note, but because he's from a boy state, you kept quiet. Did you arrest him? You kept quiet because he's from a boy state. But Obronimo state, he may arrest. Obronimo Obodos, he may arrest. Obronyo Nugu, he may arrest. But that one, where do that voice note? Well, send voice note to somebody. Now get here, Otobremwa, Ijiagu, where now I got Otobremwa, Cobrenwa put on a camera, Kuoku, Nebukobi Repudia. I have the voice note on me. But you people, we went round in boss, one them mother say post to Qualia because it's from a boy state. But Obronyo, but also Game arrest. Onyimo state, no, Zuzu, this time will clear politics. Invite me anywhere, I'm going to put a Kuoyo to see the jig evidence. Here kahane me. Now they are fighting that guy Makanobo Imo state. Anything Imo. That was how a Reverend Father put on Sultan from his own state and came to my state. About decide the Arayoye governor. They decide the Arayoye governor in our state, and you kept quiet till today. The whole fraud so far, from that your state, Obonu and I commit here. Anyone demo, which one have we done? How many times can I find a shrine in Mado Wayo? But Ogawara Nyagawara, Una towa me soon get you quench that one. You must find a way to quench that one. In what way? In what way? If care is not taken, if Obu will not take it the time, I will now introduce that pasha. I will introduce that abnormality to I'm going to introduce it if you don't take time. Therefore, Oji no committed something, I won't even go after him. I will not can the pasha do nanya ndara. Unu mebu no when in politics. Ndi Igbo wouldn't want to learn. They wouldn't want to. Are you telling me that if Ebukobi is from their state, they will fight him? Go and check this thing deep. Managwandi Imo State on camera na Koya. If Ebukobi is from their state, they will not fight him. I challenge you, they will never try it. Somebody just commented, Chibuzo. He says, I am from Anambra State, but you are 100% correct. God bless you. There are dirty people all over social media. How many of you got your platform Mezioku? Any little thing you got talk how to deal with the next person around you. Kidi go the rich, Kiga village, got chief. Ebukobi, you know get sense. You don't get sense. See there, Fuzo. That place you went and bought land. Ebicheru Rehabilitation Center. Oh, guy, you need to add politics. Don't come and tell me what you don't know. You went to Anambra State. You went to somewhere there. You went and bought land. Ebicheru Rehabilitation Center. The same people mocking you. They are sending monies. They are buying lands around that area because you have been there. Why didn't you buy it in your own state? Don't you want Imo to develop? Don't you know that Imo needs peace? That thing in me, if you like, if they like, they should type anything on me. I'm telling you the gospel truth. Can you beat Governor Zoku? No. If Governor Zoku life, Mbuwagishi. I don't tell you, I don't dey born again. I don't tell you, I don't dey born again. Ebukobi, why you not go build that one for your village? Why you not go build that for that place? Maybe they call your own village, come buy land. So that you to their own village go get work to do. Properties where they go sell them. You went to their same state. They don't give you breeds. Go and check Ebukobi. Maginwa, accusations, all those people around you. Go and check. The highest people fighting you so far. Where are they from? Where are they from? It's a challenge I'm asking you. The hatred is too much on Igbo people. The hatred is too much. Those people they hate in the book. In Ayara. I would never join them to try that kind of nonsense. I would never try it. Because I never fought a Bemonso. I never fought Umbaka before now. Man, you people will leave your own state and come. You get the side running hegemonimo. But both religiously and everything. Shrine, you want to own the headquarters. Church, you want to own the headquarters. If it is not you, no other person. Go and check all the confusion, Nona. Nona. But I can stand for your brothers free of charge. I can stand for your brother free of charge. Only on no camera or join here and then dig his brother down. But these people are protecting their own interests politically. Ono try acquire only more obula mo Ebukobi. Or mock anybody. He got me arrest. I no go to let that one. I no go to let him. That day I didn't win me and trouble don't start. I no go try him. No, put your back here, sir, please. If I finish my video, you go with your car. I'm not gonna allow that one happen. Oh yeah. Ndara. Imo State is not too small time. Imo State not too small time. Obilie or Mali or join here to sell off his brother. What are you selling? What are you selling? What are you covering? You will join your enemies. You will join people who does not want even one single development in your own place. You will join them to start burying your brother alive. Ndara, dirty people, they work common sense. Go to court now. If I insulted him back, I go to court. Sue me now. Are they wrong? Sue me. Sue me if you think I am not right. Imo right now. Imo right now. Wow, boy your priest. I go come there. With I go steal this. I go steal the drag you. I go show you regality and madness. Now me they tell you what thing I go do now. What you go do me anything? Ah yes, you go court now you sue me. You carry me go police, they go grant me bail. I go my house. I go from my house, they go court. Oh, you know say if you sue person to court, they will give you 1 year adjournment. Before you pay the matter, before you pay the matter, you shall go gilly. Ndara. Imo State to join here. Anything Obala. Check out the politics from the day one. The day I find out that all this guy, the target is for this guy not to come to Southeast. The day I found out that the game plan was for him not to come to Southeast, so that your own church and other can make people dry. You fought him to some extent. You came to my own place. Many of you wanted to buy land. Many of you would have bought land there. Development would have encroached my place. But it didn't work. It didn't work. So they will go to their own state. Watch them, oh. Ebukobi, watch them. If they are building their headquarters, they will build it in their own state. Now you, they waste your own time. Now you, they lose. You know get state. You know get state where I go build that your Zion. You know get state. You know get state. You know if you go build that for your own place. You know go if you go build that for all. You know not say people don't run follow finish. Land dead there. Go build on that place. Do that competition with them. Business is going to move. They came from their own state. They on my own place. They meeting some traditional rulers. Nah, cool game. Hey, don't sell the land. Ndiara. Ebukobi, carry your church, go Imo State. Carry that your Zion headquarters, carry and go Imo State. Land the day. Land then go bala. Land don't haji. Land don't allow. Go that place, Ganoro. Break the record so that this fight will end there. Oburi Ibaraga court. Ibaraga court. Oga then go see they fight you. Leave Lagos for them. Lawal Imo. Gather place, Game. We are those people not talk every day. They will come to Imo State. The business is gonna move. Things will be moving. It is your turn to go there. Gadia. Gadia Gano High you a state. You a place. Miru go the over the zone. Garo and Oluzo de Bishopota. Gada place Garoya. Land the day here, land the day go bala, land the day everywhere. Go that place, go buy land. Ibuzo, Wafoso, Gawanambra State in a Rehabilitation Center. You don't build one for your village. You don't build one for your place. Even the same place, the same people where they jack you down. Oga will shout this for months. Tell me Gamari here. Tell me Gamari here. Go to your place. Go to your place. Ask at Aladipo. You go to your place and buy land and tell them the Aladipo. They have 200 million. They should come there and start doing business. Imaro. Add politics in our story. Add politics. Another place now. How am I thought you fake? But they own the highest cathedral of Catholic Church. They have it in their own place, so but now they don't say church in a fake, oh. Now they get the highest Catholic Church. Now they get the highest number of Reverend Fathers. They are billionaires, now them build Catholic churches, so now them build them, oh. Oh, how my God, take care of their billionaires. How much a Catholic church, one after the other. Do you know how many Catholic churches if and you built? Do you know? Don't you watch how to say on camera? Give 100 million naira to churches. Or be that fear Catholic churches. But now they are attacking you now. They are telling you now, Ojimo, na church was a fake. They are attacking your brother now. Have they gone to push down those churches? Have you seen them go to Anambra State? Ga pull down all the cathedrals. If you took your brother, have you seen it before?
Yeah.
Charity begins at home. Go and start pushing down the Catholic churches now. Ganoga push me down now. Fight them there. Kagana have other place. Have been done from Anambra State. Onye go many churches. All the 80% of the Catholic churches not a cathedral. None. Do you know how many bishop of Ozobro bet? So gini mununa pasi be bishop of Ozobro. Aloysius Ike Kwano. See his church is scam. Gini kushenda Anambra State from pushing down all the churches in their place. Why are you keeping quiet? Manige Sheba he got Bawonyo Zogon another place. No around no church. Those people are bagging ketting. And I call it nonsense. And I call it out of point. Church, your father's backyard. The moment you leave your father's compound, put aside, there is a cathedral there. You are a gabe there, warrior for New York. Manebe with a camera. Who is the hypocrite here now? Who now? There's a church, there's a cathedral opposite your father's house. You have not gone to push down that one. But even a power we see from your own state. See, before you remove the plank in another person's eyes, please remove the one in your own eyes. Remove the one in your own eyes. There is church in your own community. Even a cathedral in your own community. So give him the he rise, he got destroy those ones. He make sure another place hide there. Baba ni meru ngure internet. Now this one that church in Kagada, church in Kagada. Ebuko be one sense. The Lord chose the one program only me once in a year nambudi or was it? Once in a year nambudi. Gache ki that period. Ndembudi here they return go that place. Onye dibia no na village nke ya no ba na ebe dibia. One sachet of pure water that place is 15 naira. He's bringing about development. He's bringing it. So give one on go other place. What is there? The same solar system, the same road that in a Lagos State. You can do it in your village. You can do it in Alimo. That will show you West now talking. How use Imo Airport? The taxation will go high. The economy, the GDP of Imo State will rise. Oh, you want idea? Another place, why? Or Gabu for your church to Imo. Everybody this thing, everybody are exhausted. And I tell you, CBO, everybody run to Boage because if you throw your brother gently, come with a sense, more with sense, you boy a boy. The boy about come with a sense. Or God build in that place. These people when they fight you. Them, they are into real estate. Oh. Those in the Omenala when they fight you now, they are into real estate. They are buying lands and selling. Or God relocate to Imo State. Or Haji Ebema, Isiagu, Mbitolu, Ngobala. Or no, there are lands. There are lands. And I'm going why? When your state go develop? Naga Marihi Gemeo. Don't go and build it in anywhere. All of them, their headquarters not at their state, and that's why they are fighting you. If you give up, shame unto you. Ebuko be allow. He continue in around that Zion Ministries headquarters in Lagos. Move it to Imo. All the noise akusi. Move it to Imo. They will be exhausted. Manana Chaga Okana in Abapo, in Ghana, their state. Gaka, Kegarola Rehabilitation Center, and another man state where the den of your enemies. Now, when sense my bogi you. When sense so, when sense so, the other mama, when sense so. When say, how to go the anointing, how to go the church, how to go the prophet, how to go the those ones. On the normal ground, you were a young guy. So reason a young guy, reason a young person. Share this video to him. Share it. Tag them. Tag in the Zion. Tag all of any of them you know individual. Tag them. Or guy Bukobi, move your church headquarters to Imo State. Move it to your state of origin. Move it there. Bring about development in your state. God, these things end there. Move it to Imo State. They are fighting you because I talk Ebata Southeast. They give one on Tojo. Does it make any sense? Therefore, increasing your enemies daily. Since you are pretending not to go now, it's on Imo. Hey, Bobble, Hana Choga to that place. You said you wanted 10,000 or 11,000 plot of land. It is available everywhere. Where? Uche Obike Okenze Buruburu of trade fair came Imo State in our own side itself. He came on you Caterpillar, put those everywhere. Create the access road. No problem there. You should come and take land. Did you people buy that land? I told you because of your spiritual father. Oga, move to Imo. Yeah, okay, move to Imo. But somebody move your church headquarters to Imo. Can't you say give other place? Now they go still come to you. In Attire. Land is full everywhere. Even Hope Uzodinma. Go to Governor Hope Uzodinma by yourself. Go and tell him natural and social location. Hope Uzodinma will call the community and address them. Say an sigala. They will say to you, don't collect it free, don't grab it free. You get a place to roll. Go to MN and see. Businesses are moving there. Youth youths are getting job. In MN, go to a Bomonsos territory. Go and see what is going on. The youths around that area, the youths of that community, they are getting job. Businesses are flourishing in that area. In Isiagu, in Arusronyago. Ordinary they work. Go to the work and see what is going on. In Aquari, tell me in Imo State. And your brothers are there. Hey, Ebukobi, Jesus walked with his brothers. Jesus walked with his brothers. That Bible you read, John the Beloved is a younger brother to Jesus. Immediate younger brother to him. He was the person he gave the book of Revelation. He explained better to him. John the Beloved was his immediate younger brother. He worked with his own community people. Where is Judas from? Is he not from Nazareth? Even the betrayers there. He used his own brothers. In Aquari. Okay, go to your state. Go to your state. Go and build that thing you want to build. Go to your Imo and build it. Forget that one you are building anywhere. Put a stop to it. Charity, they said, begins at home. Charity, they said, Ebukobi, charity begins at home. Oh, Omenala, this guy's transfer, blogging internet, and you think all easy. But I don't get caught now. You get a court, so what? All these things, Iri Ji court and all that. You would have used it. Or go to Imo. Onyobola like Regan should go and buy you land in Imo State. Start from Imo. That's the rules. Go to Imo State. Go and buy. In all this process of we are looking for land. We are looking for land. Or remove microphone. There are lands in Imo State. My community alone can host 3 airports. Not even my community, my village, Abi. Yes, sir. I catch a one. There are lands everywhere. Help all those protocols. You know my federal house member, Matthew Wogu. You are close to him. Tell him that you're going to Ntu. Tell him that you're going to Ọmenala area. There are roads. The governor of River State fixed road to Ọmenala. Road from there to airport is about 15 minutes. Go there and buy land and build your Zion headquarters. If you don't want to build it in Ngopala, go to Mbidi. Go to your own place in Olu. Go and build it there. Stay anybody who wants to see you. You are the product. The product should be more expensive than, the process should be more expensive than the product itself. You are the product. You are the process. Go there. Go there. Go there. Come to Imo State by yourself. Not 2 or 3 days. Hypocrisy, how he see the chegini. You end up a waste of time. Gani Moji yourself. By yourself. Even one for God there with your mom. Gani Agachala. It will improve it will improve security. It will improve so many things. Gani Monka Hubunkegi. Okigbe Hanocha, lands all those places. If nobody is killing you, why don't anybody there? And why don't kidnap anybody there? Biani Mo, Biazwala, Roya Zion Ministries headquarters, Roya there, Lenking when I go to Ross School. Wherever Ross School, charity begins at home. Ana Kofushako. Ibara Ghana State in Ghana in a Royal Rehabilitation Center. What are you going to build there that Ifanyuba has not built? What are you going to build in Enugu State that their billionaires have not built there? Do you know that you as an Imo man, in where much billionaires? Are you aware? Okay, Ofonye na Kuroto na Anambra State, where Katigra, Rocha Yakota may hand over. So we were idea. Hagaku may try their own. But also maybe that is when how many of these people now bag online? A book one of their billionaire Catholic church Buoya. If you don't Cameria or Gabasiogo, why are they not attacking? Why are they maybe find about attack? Why are they maybe Bishop of Azuba attack? Now why don't you rock 3 Catholic churches at the same time? I don't want Bishop of Azuba and Aruna. I don't choose one. If you took any of them, put on social media, buy your or gas at that house, see an incomplete ahead. Man, I try Animo State. How we share number state, where camera gas snap or that place, video pass on social media. There are dirty people, stupid bloggers, never common sense. Never camera to anyone. How a universal hatred, honor in them. They hate you. Their slogan about anybody they defend Ebukobi once you are from another. Do you know that the same state these same people open their mouth to one morning? How soon you guys forget? How quick do you guys forget? Didn't you see when they started up protesting on the social media and they said that people should leave their states? Or you don't see them? You don't see them for internet? We don't feed them for emo. But the same Ebonyi State now. The same Ebonyi State now is where they are running to now to go buy land. Okay? That's where they are rushing now to go buy land. That's where they are rushing now to go buy land. But they gathered, they came up on social media one morning, hatred upon the Ebonyi State people. During the days of devil, man. Didn't you see it? You not see it for social media. They will just pick one person, they will just pick one state. Allah be share immediately. They don't care. The hatred is too much. The hatred is too much. Let me not just go on flame here.